Hi there, Lens here, and in this video I just want to talk about the problem charging your Samsung Galaxy S9. You know, sometimes when you're outdoor you can get this problem. While it can just occur just like that, with the screen the temperature is too low to charge, moisture detection, right? So there are times when you plug in your charger it will just not charge, right? And I'm just giving you possible solution what you can do with your port. You will need to try and use a blow dryer or something like that. Keep it from a distance, and what you want to do, you want to just blow the heat in this area. Make sure not to go too close, but you just want to barely warm the area, and then you can go and charge your phone and see if it is any difference. Another method that you can try is by using the wireless charger. There are many different wireless chargers out there, and the idea here is if there's a problem with the port, you can use the wireless charger, and if there isn't any problem with charging it wirelessly, there's an issue with your port. So I am going to go ahead and I am going to plug this S9 up to this wireless charger. Let's see, when you plug in your charger there will be a light here. The light can be blue, it can be green, it just depending upon the type of charger that you have. So we can now see a blue light shining there at the bottom there. Now we can see that there's a charge icon on our phone. So there you go. As I said, the main thing here is to try different options, see where the problem is coming from, if it is the port. And with this, it can actually be that moisture is affecting the port. You know, some persons normally go to the beach and would have their phone to take pictures underwater. So just want to let you know that you can probably leave your phone for 2 or 3 days for the moisture to wear off. In that, if you just use your phone, charge using a wireless charger, if you don't have one, well, I just want to encourage you to have one. It's very important with phone these days to have a wireless charger to help you out in difficult times. So yeah, my name is Lens, and if this video was helpful at all, I advise you to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. And bear in mind, try this at your own risk. As I said, there are times the port can have some sort of moisture, and there's something that you gotta do to get rid of that moisture. And you don't want to overdo it at all. Want to put a blow dryer or heat gun and to be throwing a lot of heat at it. You don't want to do that. You just want to just gradually do it, just to see if you can change the atmosphere around the port. So again, my name is Lens. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon. For questions and comments, do so in the comment section below.